up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing fine. As for me, I'm doing great. So today guys, I want to show you around my cooker. Some of you had requested me to show them how it works and why I decided to take this make. So join me, let's do this. My cooker is meter 3+1 electric. What I mean by 3+1 is it has 3 gas burners plus 1 electric hot plate. So for this one, it's helpful when you're out of gas, so you can use that. And also the size of the cooker is 60 by 60. The size. The other thing about this cooker is stainless steel on the top. There is one, meaning that it cannot corrode or get those stubborn stains. Most, if not all, cookers comes with an electric plug. This one. I will be showing you in a few how it works. So for my cooker to work, I need to have a gas cylinder. It can be a 3 kg, 6 kg, or either a 13 kg. So for mine is 13 kg. You also need a gas hosepipe. The pipe helps to transmit the gas from the cylinder to the cooker for it to ignite. What you need to do, you just have to connect it like this. Mine is already connected. There is this nozzle here on the cylinder where you fix the pipe. And also on the cooker, this one. And always ensure the pipe is tightly fixed. Mine is well fixed on both the cylinder and the cooker to avoid leakage. Now, coming to the front here, my cooker has knobs. As you can see, there are 6 knobs. Some cookers may be having more, and some may have less, depending on the type of make. The knobs are usually labeled. Label like you can see here. So these knobs are the ones responsible for controlling how the cooker works. So this is how it works. You connect your plug on the electric socket like this. And by the way, some cookers may not have a plug, but just a wire cable sticking out. Those cables are connected to this kind of socket. Most modern kitchens will always have a socket for a cooker, plug, or this type of socket. There is usually a manual to guide you on how to fix. So after the plug is connected, put on the switch on the socket. On the cooker, we have this kind of button labeled with a spark. one. So this is used to ignite the gas burners. You just have to press it in like this. So you just press it like that, and you can hear the spark sound. Now in my case, I have 6 knobs and only 3 gas burners. This means only 3 knobs here are used to ignite the gas burners. The rest of the knobs have their function, and I'm going to show you in a bit. So if you see labels like this one, they indicate which knob is linked to which burner. The small rectangle here indicates that. Like in this case, this one here is for this. This is for this. This one also is for this. And this one here is for this. For instance, if you want to ignite this one, you just have to press the ignition button and then slightly press this one inside, so you can see it's on. So I'll have to ignite the other one. So this one is for the hot plate. So it's usually labeled on the magnitude of the flame that you want. So for this one, it shows that the flame is on high magnitude. So if you put it here, that is, the magnitude is low. The same case with the others. Yeah. So let me just switch them off. By the way, before you ignite, always ensure that all the knobs are on 0 and the leads to the burners are well fixed to avoid the yellow flame. Now some gas cookers like this one of mine comes with this gas sensor attached to every gas burner. This one right here. They help to detect if there is any leakage and therefore won't allow you to ignite the burner. That is one of the reasons I went for this make. So for those that don't have these sensors, you always have to ensure there is no gas leakage before you strike the matchbox or press the ignition button for obvious reasons. Oh, and another thing, in case there is no electricity, you can just use a matchbox to ignite. Like so. Yeah, so it's that easy, guys. So let me just switch off the gas. Now for the hot plate to work, you need to have electricity. You simply ensure the plug is connected and socket is on. As you can see, it's on. Then you use the knob linked to it to put it on. This knob over here. So normally there is a light. So if I press it, I'll just turn it this way. Normally if you ignite the hot plate, there is this light over here that will come on to indicate that the plate is on. So you can just simply put your sprayer or pot on the plate and it will heat it up. For now, it's heating, but if it's heat, you don't have to touch it. Yeah, don't dare touch it. So let me just switch it off. Another thing, if you put it at 3, it's on the high magnitude. Then 2 is lower. Then there is 1, and when you switch it off, it goes back to 0. So that's all for the upper part of the cooker. Now we are remaining with 3 knobs. For the 3 knobs, I'll show you how they work. Their work is down here in the oven. Let me show you how to use the oven part in my next video. Click on the link in the description box below.